Hi friends, my name is Ranjit Singh. Today is second class of Python. Our company website geniussoftwareservices.co.in. आप वहाँ से भी Python सीख सकते हैं. Today's topic we will discuss Python data types and use of global keyword and Python typecasting. These three key points we will discuss. Right? First one, use of global keyword. जब आप किसी फंक्शन में कोई वेरिएबल आप डिफाइन करते हैं, दैट वेरिएबल लोकल वेरिएबल इज कॉल्ड एज लोकल वेरिएबल एंड इट कैन बी एक्सेस्ड एंड कैन यूज इनसाइड दैट फंक्शंस ओनली. राइट, जिस फंक्शन में आप उस वेरिएबल को डिफाइन करेंगे उसी फंक्शन में उस वेरिएबल को आप एक्सेस कर पाएंगे. राइट, बट अगर आप किसी फंक्शन में किसी वेरिएबल को डिफाइन करते हैं, उसे आप ग्लोबली एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको ग्लोबल कीवर्ड का यूज करना है. ग्लोबल वेरिएबल से पहले आपको लिखना है ग्लोबल. किसी फंक्शन के अंदर अगर कोई वेरिएबल उससे पहले आप ग्लोबल लिखेंगे तो आप उसे ग्लोबली एक्सेस कर पाएंगे. राइट, so now we can see that def my function, def my function global. So my fun is a function. Here we take x is the variable and we define as a global variable. Right, and now next we assign some value to the x. We assign suppose great value to the x we assign. Right, after that we call the function, then print. After that we call the function, our function, my function, we call this function and then print. Suppose we type this and by using plus we will access the value of x. Right. So my function with the function name, and this is the x value, x variable. Right, we defined this variable x is a global variable by using the global keyword and assign the great integer string value to the variable x and then call the my function. Right, then print and access the x value. Right, now run this program. Now you can see that, right? That was the indentation actually. So you can see that print is output is India is great. Right, so here x is working as global variable. Right, if you remove the global x, then run, you can see that there is an error. Right? Name error. Name x is not defined. That is the problem. Right? Suppose, right? So this is the. In this way, you can use the global keyword. Right? right? And next one, change the value of a global variable inside a function. If you want, suppose you take another value of x, like we defined it, popular. You define this value. Now run this. You can see that it is taking the value of x, great value, not popular. Popular is also defined as a global variable, but it is taking because you defined the x is the global variable. That's why it is taking the value of great, right? And you can see that here also, if you omit this global x, and you can see that there is error, num p is not defined. Sorry, now run this. Now it is taking the value of value of x is popular, right? Not taking the great, because now it is considered popular as the global variable, right? So it is taking the value of the x. Here popular is working as a global variable, right? If you define here is global, so now if you define using global keyword inside any function, then it will take that value, that global value. You can use it, and global means you can use in anywhere in the program. Next one is Python data types. Suppose x, we take value 50 and we print value x, and print type of type x. So this print will print the value of x, and this second print will tell you which type of data type, this data type. It will tell you the data type. So ये आपको data type बताता है, सेकंड वाला प्रिंट है, फर्स्ट x की वैल्यू को प्रिंट करेगा. Now you can see that first print is printing the value, and now second print printing the type of this type of data type you are using. So it is telling you that it is integer type of data, right? Now next one is if you take suppose string, any string, suppose any string, and run. Here you can see it is printing India, right? First print is India, and second it is inform you that it is of type of string type of data type, right? And next one is list data type. list data type. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Right. First print will print Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and second print will inform you what kind of data type you are using. You can see here Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. First print is printing, and now it is telling you it's kind of list type data type. So you can see that it is kind of list data type in Python, right? So it is this data type is of list, right? And next one, tuple data type. Tuple only change these square brackets into this brackets. Okay. Now run this. You can see output Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, right? And now what kind of data type? This kind of tuple data type. If you want to use tuple data type, then you have to use these signs. Right? And list data type, you have to use the bracket. And now next one, dict data type. Suppose a company, right? Company and colon GSS comma location India. So it is kind of which kind of data type we are learning? Dict dict. Now run this. You can see that what kind of data type? Dict data type. And first print is printing the company GSS location India, right? So it will tell you the dict data type. So in this way you can use the dict data type in Python in this manner. Next one, set data type. Set data type. Set data type, you will simply choose doubles these signs. Is showing tuple. I think it is there should be changed. It is kind of tuple data type. It is wrongly printed here. It is kind of tuple data type. Right? You can see here. So it is a kind of tuple data type. Right? Next one is frozen set. Frozen set only you will have to mention here frozen set. Now run this. You can see the data frozen set, right? And the bool. Suppose you take the value x bool can. So it is true because 10 is value. So it is showing true. What kind of data type? Boolean data type. Now next one, Python casting. Python casting, first we will see x, y, z, x int 10 int 20.8 j int 30. Print x, not print all the values. Print x, print y, print z. Right. First x value would be of 10 and y value would be of 20 and z will be of 30. You can see. आप देख सकते हैं x की वैल्यू 10, y की वैल्यू 20 and z की वैल्यू 30. Because y value is it's kind of float value and we are using integer. That's why 0.8 is not considering. Right? It is kind of a string. It is printing as it is. Right? So it is a integers Python casting. Now float. We will mention only float. Change the float. Float. Now run this. You can see 10.0, okay, 20.8 and 30.0, right? So it will take the float take the decimal value. If you आप अगर decimal value यूज करना चाह रहे हैं पॉइंट के बाद तो आपको float data type यूज करना पड़ेगा, right? Now next one, string. Suppose string India. str string str and this is str 850.2. This should be 48. This is 3.8 str. First will print India 8 and 50. 50.8. You can see that. So first is printing India, second is printing 8 and Z is printing 50.8, right? So it is Python casting, right? In Python, right? Thank you for watching the video.